Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove authentication code or the multi-factor authentication in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your setup and then you go to setup. After that, we need just to search for identity verification. So here we type ident TT and then verification. So from here, we will find this identity verification. Now we need to click on it and basically we already find in our authentication methods. So here you can, let's just for authenticator, automatically verify identities using geolocation and some other things. So here what we are interested in, which is the multi-factor authentication, we need to make sure that it's not required so you can remove it. So simply if you had already the authentication code or verification code that has been set already means that this one would be checked in. So now you will need just to check out this require multi-factor authentication for all direct UI logins. And then you will need just to go and go down and save those settings, and basically you will need just to click on save and you will have your multi-factor authentication that has been removed. Of course, there are other session security level policies that you can see. So as you can see, there is the manage multi-factor authentication in API. You can choose either to manage them or block them, and you can add more other policies, and you can read for each policy how what does it mean, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.